Hi, this is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and I hope you guys all had a great summer with a quick update here from Erie, Pennsylvania about what's going on in Tool and Die Guy land. Well, a couple of days ago, I had a complete camera crew here from CNN, of all places, right? I think most people would think I'd end up on Fox because I think some people think I'm a right-wing loon, and that's not the case, right? So CNN contacted me via email about 10 days ago, and they said, we'd love to interview you about American manufacturing. And I was curious if it was going to be about politics, because we're in a swing state, Pennsylvania, and they said, no politics. It was very funny. Again, all my friends on the left were like, why would you be on CNN? And all my friends on the right were like, they're going to talk about politics and they're going to ambush you. Well, the Tool and Die Guy can handle an ambush. I'm well versed on a lot of subjects. I wasn't really worried about that. Well, I can tell you they were the most polite crew ever. They sent in their chief domestic correspondent, Phil Mattingly, and his crew to interview me, and it was like the greatest show and tell I ever did in my life. They wanted to see my pictures, they wanted to see my studio, they wanted to see my documentation, and then we spent about an hour talking about American manufacturing. So the bottom line is that this episode, there were several other people besides myself that were interviewed, but should air somewhere around the week of September 23rd on the Erin Burnett Show on CNN, which airs, I believe, at 7 p.m. Eastern on CNN. And I guess the second big gift, besides the greatest show and tell I ever did in my life, was that for the rest of my life, you know, as somebody who's online, I get a lot of barbs, okay? And I forgive everybody for those, right? But I don't forget anybody's names. So before you pull that pin out of that grenade of your snarky comments, I'm going to throw it right back at you with this question. Please tell me the last time that a national, worldwide news organization sent a camera crew and their chief domestic correspondent into your house to ask your opinion about anything. Thank you, Jesus. Stay thirsty, my friends. We'll see you on the next video.